Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook asparagus with bacon. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of fresh asparagus and 6 to 8 slices of thin-cut bacon. Begin by washing the asparagus and snapping off the tough, woody ends. Next, take your bacon and cut each slice in half lengthwise. This makes it easier to wrap around the asparagus spears, ensuring a delicious, crispy result. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic dish. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's assemble the bundles. Take 3 to 5 asparagus spears and group them together. Then, grab one of your half slices of bacon. Starting at the bottom, tightly wrap the bacon around the asparagus bundle, spiraling upwards towards the middle. Make sure the bacon is snug to prevent it from unraveling during cooking. You'll create about 6 to 8 delightful bundles, ready for the oven. It's time to cook these delicious bundles. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, arrange your bacon-wrapped asparagus bundles in a single layer on a baking sheet. This ensures that each bundle cooks evenly and the bacon gets wonderfully crispy. Roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the bacon to be golden brown and crisp, and the asparagus tender crisp. Once your asparagus and bacon bundles are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the oven. Let them cool for just a minute or two before serving. These make a fantastic side dish for almost any meal, or even a delightful appetizer on their own. For an extra touch, you could add a light sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Enjoy this simple yet elegant dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.